The soul of a man is like a ship that sails on the sea of time. The storms may come, the winds may blow, and rock this ship of mine. But the reason my ship has never sank, and thank God is still afloat, my compass is His precious word, and my Jesus pilots my boat.
Darling, won't sail these stormy seas no more, unless Jesus leads the way. I won't ever drift so far from the shore, I can't hear what He has to say.
For I belong to a fleet that sails today on the glorious one